If you have a well-fermented kimchi at home, try making kimchi pancakes. It's a simple and comforting dish that many Koreans enjoy as a snack or side for drinks. Today I'm using store-bought kimchi. It's already cut into bite-sized pieces, so I'll use it as is. To get the right consistency, I recommend using a measuring cup. I'm using 2 cups of kimchi without squeezing out the juice. I have some shrimp at home, so I'm adding that as well. These are already cleaned. I will just remove the tails and roughly chop them. Squid, clams, or ground pork also work well. Let's also chop some green onion and chili peppers for extra flavor and color. I'm using Korean pancake mix today. If you don't have it, just use all-purpose flour with a bit of potato starch or baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix 2 cups of pancake mix with 2 cups of cold water, equal amount. Stir gently just until the lumps disappear. Overmixing can make the pancake less crispy. Now add all the prepared ingredients into the batter. Add 1 tablespoon of Korean chili powder and 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. Mix just until everything is combined. The batter should be slightly loose, not too thick, not too runny. Preheat your pan well over medium-high heat. Add enough oil to coat the bottom. Pour in the batter and spread it thinly right away. Once the edges start to brown and crispy, let it cook for about 2 more minutes on medium-low heat. Gently move the pan so the oil spreads evenly. When the bottom is golden and firm, flip the pancake. It tore a little, but that's okay. Keep pressing it gently with a spatula and cook until both sides are crispy and golden. Let's try making smaller pancakes this time. I will place some sliced chili on top to make them look nice. So delicious, you won't be able to stop eating. I hope you'll give this simple and comforting dish a try. Thank you for watching. See you next time. 안녕.